Hi children, how are you all? Now we will come back to our studies. Today I am here to explain you the 8th lesson from our English course book. I think you know the name of this lesson. Yes, the unusual spectator. Who is the author of this lesson? Yes, Ruskin Bond. He is an Indian author of British descent. He lives with his adopted family in Missouri, India. The Indian Council for Child Education has recognized his role in the growth of children's literature in India. He was awarded the Sahitya Akademi Award in 1992 for Our Trees Still Grow in Dahra by the Sahitya Akademi, India's National Academy of Literature. He was awarded the Padma Shri in 1999 and the Padma Bhushan in 2014. He is one of the most loved and widely read Indian children's writer. Children, here, what's the meaning of this word spectator? One who watches an event, especially one held outdoors. See this picture. People are looking eagerly and encouraging the players through their words and expressions. These people are called spectators. Here, in this lesson, who is the spectator? That also unusual spectator. We will see that. Before that, I would like to ask you some informal questions to think and answer. Questions are: what is the importance of spectators in a game? Do the players feel demotivated if there are no spectators? Think and find out the answer, children. Okay. Now, see the first part, children. Here we could see two boys' team. One was town boys' team led by Renji and another one was village boys' team led by Sheru. They had fixed a match on coming Sunday. For this, both teams were practicing hard. They knew that this game would be an exciting game of cricket. Renji and team had first decided to play in the park, but park was not available for them. So they planned to play on the river bank against village boys. Town boys were little worried about this match because village team was quite good as their houses were near and practiced a lot together. But Renji and his friends were not near and most of the time they were not able to come together for practice. Another fact was that elders also joined with them. Children, do you know why did these boys allowed adults in their game? Yes, the adults or elders were not very good players. Then also they allowed them because they only bought bats and balls for boys, and more than that, they only provided pocket money to these boys. Among these elders, the boys had a special gratitude towards the local bank manager because he was specially generous. See the next paragraph, children. Together, earlier also they were playing matches. In all these matches, there was one special spectator. Children, who was this spectator? Yeah, a crocodile. Naku, its name. You may have seen crocodiles. These are crocodiles. Now, what is the meaning of Naku? Now see, this is Naku. Understood there? Naku. What is the meaning of this word Naku? Yes, nosy, or we can say too curious. But the village boys specially called him Nakuji or Naku sir. With much respect, what was the specialty of this creature? Yes, children, this crocodile had a long projecting nose, mouth, jaw, and a powerful scaly tail. More than that, nearly 15 feet long he was. Usually people couldn't see him much because he would be down in the water. Sometimes he would come out, where children, on the river bank. For what? To bask in the sun. Here, bask means to be exposed to pleasant heat. He would be lying there without any botheration. He had irritation when he heard noise. If these cricket balls fell around in the shallows where he liked to rest, then it would be danger. Sometimes players couldn't take back these balls. He won't allow them. Next, see children, the exact day came. That day only their cricket match. That day, their cricket match. See, Renji was in hurry. He was with his friend Nathu. He was carrying his hat and a flask. Who was carrying? Renji. In that this flask, his mother had prepared for him lime juice because mother knew that during the playtime he would be thirsty. Now Renji is asking about the stump and the ball. Nathu replied that their friend Sundar had a stump and Anil's father would bring ball as they promised him to open the batting. They were on Nathu's bicycle and reached Anil's house. He was waiting for them outside his house. When the boys reached the spot, they were surprised. Do you know why? Where they wanted to play, there the hero Naku was lying. The boys stood there not knowing what to do. Here you can see this. They were frightened. They had different opinions, as some said we would wait, others said we had to do something to get rid of him, and another opinion was they had to be very careful. See this paragraph, the murmuring were going on, but it didn't affect Naku and he didn't show any movement. Last, they threw pebbles and stones at him. It didn't hurt his hide. Here hide means skin of an animal. We know what type of skin this creature has. Last, one boy, Prem, took a ball and threw it to him. It hit on his snout. Due to this sudden hit, he was slightly frightened. He slowly moved towards river and went into that. Children, see the next page. When the grown-ups came there, children didn't say anything about this incident. They thought that by hearing this incident, the adults might cancel this cricket match. I know you have seen cricket matches. Isn't it, children? Cricket matches. These are players and spectators. Now, here they were ready for match. Village children got the chance for batting. Sheru came first. Sheru had played very well. Renji and his team tried hard, but they were not able to run him out. Once Sheru smashed his ball and straight went towards the river. See this part, children. Naku, who was waiting for his revenge, got a good chance. The ball straight came towards him. He suddenly opened his jaws widely and the ball landed exactly there. His revenge was very sweet. His teeth gone deep into this ball, then he chewed it nicely. He also decided that he won't spare any ball that come into his place. Now the bank manager then given a new ball to them. He told them that he would bowl with it. Their match had continued and it seems that the village team would win the match. Suddenly Sheru was out by Nathu's father and other batsmen also followed him. That time the innings ended with a total of 145 runs. It is written modest total. Modest means not very big. Now they had taken a half-hour break. First they had their lunch. Different items were there. By the time one interesting incident was happened there. Slowly and carefully the crocodile came out from the river. No one noticed that. All were enjoying their lunch. Maybe this delicious food item smell invited him to come out. See this paragraph. After the lunch, they started the match. Sheru had opened the bowling and the bank manager couldn't play nicely. Now he wanted to escape from there. For that, he had told a lie. What is that lie, children? He told that a fly got in his eye and he wasn't ready. Funny thing was that nobody could see that flies. Actually, after lunch, he was sleepy. Earlier, villagers had respectfully brought one coat for him. He lay down there and soon fell into deep sleep. Children, now we will move to the next page. Here we could see all were playing so enthusiastically and all were fully involved in this match. But another side, this crocodile had moved ahead and last it came beneath the cot on which the bank manager was sleeping. See, on the cot bank manager, down this crocodile. It is written everyone was so intent on watching the match that no one noticed it. Here intent on means focused on. Everybody's concentration was in that match. So nobody didn't notice it. It was a big creature, no children. So for him, just enough place to lie down there. Within few minutes, Naku had also slept. See the next paragraph. Match was going on. The score reached 140. How much? 140. Ranji's team needed 6 more runs for victory. Correct, no? Other team got a 145. Now they got a 140. Now 6 more runs they need for victory. So Ranji wanted it in stylish way. For this, when the ball came, he drove the ball hard and high towards the banyan tree. Next, what happened, children? See the funny incident that happened there. The ball just hit on Naku's jaw and one of his teeth fell down. He was sleeping, no children? He woke up. Then he suddenly moved forward. Because of pain, he was beating his tail so violently and he was making sound with his jaws. By the time, what happened, children? When the crocodile moved forward, this coat also was with him. Now, children, where was this manager? He was sleeping on that coat. So, the crocodile was carrying this coat and the bank manager also. See this part, children. In the beginning, bank manager was not knowing anything. But when this coat started to shake violently from side to side, then he woke up. First, he didn't understand anything. When he had realized the situation, then he started to shout for help. But they were unable to help him. All ran here and there, and the crocodile was advancing towards the wicket. Then he had knocked down the stumps. Here you can see that in this picture. See children, the condition of the bank manager. Are you feeling pity for him? Okay. Now this crocodile, what he was doing again? See, he moved a gut, swallowed a sun hat, then a glove and one batsman's pad that was also caught up in his tail. Children, now we will move to the last page. Here the bank manager was shouting to get help from others. He was not able to come out from that situation because the coat was so tightly attached to this crocodile and the bank manager was not able to get down from that coat. Now see children, at the end what had happened to them or how was this problem solved? Yes, this problem was solved when he went back to the river where he always lived. Then automatically this bank manager fell into the water and then he moved hurriedly towards the river bank. By the time our Naku was moving other side of the river. Now all were going back to their home. On the way, Sheru had told others that again they must come on next week for a return match. All the elders, those who were with the children, told them that they wouldn't be free next week. What's the real reason, children, for their excuse? Yes, they were really scared of all these incidents. They wanted to avoid this match, next match. Hello, children. Did you enjoy with the funny situations that you have seen in this chapter? Okay, our lesson is over. I will give you the notes. Study and also enjoy your time. Bye. Thank you, children.